card is this? Let the birthday begin. Sending birthday wishes for your birthday every day after. Oh.
I thought someone else.
I'm like, who is Willis Morrison sending you shit? I'm just kidding.
Who is Willis?
Happy Vlogmas, day 19. We're finally back in America. We all landed safe and sound. Obviously, you wouldn't be seeing this if we didn't. But there is no Vlogmas day 18 because it was just a bunch of traveling and we were exhausted. It was a long day yesterday. So yeah, no Vlogmas day 18, but we're back with day 19. Do you guys miss the doggies? They're really chill right now because we gave them their little chill pill. Let's open up their advent calendar and see all the treats that we need to give them. We left off on day 10 and now we need to open up 9 days. Day 10. This one. Let me just open them all up. Day 11. Right. Day 12.
Like, oh, he's the sweetest. Dennis is so sweet when he's chilling.
Right?
He's just like.
I guess my cousin wants to go to Switzerland now.
13.
Let's not give him all in one day.
Well, yeah, I'm not. I'm just opening them up. 14 is here. It's the same. Bunch of stars. 15.
They're cute. They're all the same flavor, right?
I hope
Yeah,
so.
it's sweet potato and salmon.
But I said there was just different flavors.
16.
Oh.
Hold on, let me open them all up first.
This one you can tell.
17. 18. Look at y'all real quick. 18.
Almost done.
And 19. It's right here.
Done.
Here's 19.
Wow.
We're up to date. This is how much we have left of the advent calendar. We have 6 more days until Christmas. Okay, let's give some of them the treats. Ah, you missed. You're getting so many treats today. So happy. Yay. And then Newman gets a carrot. Let me give him a carrot. Here you go. Enjoy your carrot. Laundry has been washed. It's been clean. I've unpacked everything. All is good. We swept and cleaned the house, so everything is nice and tidy. What are we doing today? We're going to go grab lunch. And then we're going to start our Christmas movie tonight. We're going to watch a Christmas movie every night until Christmas. I already went to my Cairo earlier, so it's nice. Then we swung by, got some 7 leaves. And now we're going to figure out what to get for lunch. We're getting cheddars for lunch. Just me, Lucine, and their mom. Alexander isn't feeling too well today, so he's staying back home. He's having runny nose and coughing here and there. I think he's getting sick from just traveling. But yeah, we're gonna grab lunch here. I'm so hungry. I'm ready to eat. It smells so good. It's been a few hours later. Cheddar's was really good. That gave me a food coma, and then we went grocery shopping. We went to the gas station. We went to a different store. So we were just kind of like running errands a little bit here and there, and that got me really tired. The food got me tired, and I think just being jet lagged. I've been up since 5:15 in the morning, but it's okay. Ran back home to unload the groceries. His mom and sister are at home, and she's cooking tonight for dinner. His mom, she's making soup and salad for dinner. And I'm running errands again with Alexander. He needs to go to the bank. We went to the bank this morning, but we need to go back to the bank. And just, yeah, running a couple of more things to do. So yeah, it's a very chill vlog today. That's how it's going to be. Sipping on my 7 leaves that we got earlier today. Let's go. All right, back home. I want to show you guys what we got on our trip when we were in London and in Italy. Just a little stuff here and there, not too much, but you guys already saw this in the vlog. The painting from Michelangelo. It's just a little picture frame. Alexander decided to put it at my vanity desk, and I think it goes well. I mean, here for now. I'll just leave it here for now. But that's that. And then what else? I got a couple of leather bags here, one for me and then one for my friend for her birthday. Then Lucine got me this gorgeous necklace when we were in Florence. We have matching necklaces. Not sure if you guys can see. It's so pretty. Can't wait to wear that. I love the little magnets we got. Got this little one from Roma.
How much was that?
This one was €1. And then I saw this one and I had to get it because Alexander loves drinking this type of mineral water. I got the San Pellegrino magnet. I thought this was so cute. It's a little expensive. I got it for €6, but I've never seen a magnet like this. I had to get it when in Rome, right? And then Lucine got this little magnet from London, a little bottle opener. One of the guards. So cute. And then also this one is from London. This one shows the St. Paul's Cathedral in the back. They're infamous red buses. And it's just a nice magnet. So our little shelf is getting quite full. You probably need to get a different one down the road. But this is what I got in London. You guys already know. We got the little telephone booth, the classic. So cute. And then we also got the Colosseum right here.
€1.
Yeah, this one was €1 at the Colosseum. Then this telephone one was £4. Yeah, that's what we got. Their mom got some scratchers and I didn't realize they're like holiday editions. They're so cute. Look at this one. Holiday. The perfect gift. This would be a perfect gift if we won. But I just like doing this for fun, you know. Don't get your hopes too high, you know. I am gonna go take a nice body shower. Kind of wake myself up a little bit because I am super sleepy. And I don't want to take a nap right now because it's later in the day. And I want to make sure I get back into my sleeping schedule. So I'm gonna take a quick shower and then later tonight we're gonna watch a Christmas movie. So I think I mentioned it earlier in this video that we're gonna watch one Christmas movie every night until Christmas Day. So tonight we're gonna watch Violent Night. It's with the actor from Stranger Things. I forgot his name. Hopefully I don't fall asleep because I am dying to just hit my head on a pillow. Also, I'm wearing the necklace right now. It's so pretty. Can you guys see? I love it. Love it.